Hi, this is Kevin Lee. This is record for the PA5. First, I'm gonna show you my converter, how it works. It basically is just kind of I use data-driven way to I create a header and read all the data I need and only the data I need into the binary file, and then I read them out at engine. This is the header I created. The bigger this is the file header. It's basically the file, the file name, the clip number, and the bone number. This is what I want to know for the. This is kind of general information about the whole animation, about a single skeleton animation. So after this, I just read all the clips from the FBX file. Every skeleton have the 2 clips, so we have the clip's name and the key number of this clip. Then I create a kind of structure to store the hierarchy. I need the name, the parent name, the index, and parent index. So I store the hierarchy in this format. Then I can reconstruct the whole hierarchy in the PCS tree. So here it is. This is the basically the converter header. Then I just use the C++ of string, the file streaming to read and write into the binary file. What I did is like this. Just I built a hash table to read all those hierarchies and write and sort them. Then I just write them into the file. In the animation part, I just the first I write all the header, and then I write the data by adding them into a vector, and this is actually a temporary vector. Every time I just push the data into the vector and write it, and then I clear the vector. So in this part I can just push and read and write recursively, so I can write everything I want into the executive file, the runtime format. So this is basically what I did for the converter. So let's check out the batch file I write. So this is the converter I write, and this is the 2 FBX file. I write this batch. It kind of like this. It's very simple. So when I run the batch, it will generate the executive file. The humanoid and the teddy bear. Okay, stop. So I just grab those my custom format and to put it in my engine. Oops, sorry. Then I open my engine. My engine is here. I will show you what I did in the engine. I created this anime clip class and this class is basically a linked list of the frame buckets, and the clip manager class. This class is to manage all the clips. This is a linked list about different clips. So in this, I build a very large function, this load animation function. Basically, I use our own file system, the Windows 32 file system, to open and read all the data from my custom format. Yeah, this part is read all the hierarchy information. I read them from out of the custom format and push them into the PCS tree. Yeah, use the game object manager. Then I load array keyframes here. Load array keyframes. This is the hack part to just change the skeleton scale, and this is for the teddy bear. Something we should to do some adjustment for those single frames. I don't know why. Just have to do that to make it's right. So then we gonna load. Yeah, the humanoid and teddy bear is here, so we can just load everything into our manager, so we can just to build them. So I want to demo it now. Oh, okay, sorry. About the animation controller, I just use some global variables here. Sorry, and to build all the the features I want for the animation controller on the update here. About the swap, clip, speed up, speed down, pause, backwards, and looping. So here, let me demo it. Yeah, this is the punch. Yeah, the punch of the humanoid. You can see it can be punch. I also can switch to the different. I press 1 on the keyboard to switch different clips. It's different. It's just the linked list in the clip manager. Can switch. Press 1 to switch between different clips. Then I can just speed up. You can see it's faster. I press 2 to speed up, and press 3 to slow down. It's very slow now, pretty slow. And speed up, slow down, speed up, slow down. And to have a pause of this animation, I press 4 to pause and 4 to continue. Pause, continue, pause, continue. And I use the 5 to just make the animation look backward like this. Yeah, the backward is very obviously in running. Backward, forward, backward, forward. So about the 6, this 6 is just stop the looping. You can see, stop the looping, keep looping, stop the looping, keep looping. Stop the looping, keep looping. Okay, this is a humanoid. So I do the hard switch to make it become a teddy bear. So let me do it for you. It's teddy bear. I load the teddy bear now, so it's become a teddy bear. Yeah, it's teddy bear here. This is the idle. I think it's idle, and we can switch into the walking. It can be faster, slower, all the kind of things. The same function as the humanoid. This is basically what I did for the PA5. Okay, this is maybe that's all. It's being a long video, I think. Yeah, thanks for you to watch this, and I want to say something to you, Keenan. I've been enrolled 5 of your class, and I learned a lot of things from you. And thank you so much for teaching me. Make sure we keep in touch. Thank you.